Every school has a story to tell, a story of dreams, a story of determination, and a story of people who believed that education could change lives.
Today, we take a journey through time as we discover the rich history of Labayug National High School, from its humble beginnings to the institution it has become today.
Good day everyone! Welcome to our vlog. Today, we'll be exploring the history of our beloved school, Labayog National High School. Instead of simply reading about its history, we'll hear first-hand stories from the people who have witnessed its growth through the years. Let's begin our journey.
Every corner of this campus tells a story.
From classrooms filled with learning,
The hallways filled with memories.
Labayug National High School has become a second home for thousands of students.
Ako si Mrs. Raquel Macusi. Nagtuturo dito sa Labayog National High School since September 1992 up to the present.
I am Mr. Ferdinand Estabas. I started teaching way back December 1, 1992.
First year noon is 2 section. Tapos, grade 8, isang section, 9 at saka 10, isang section din.
2 sections. One from the before is grade, or rather third year, and the other one is the fourth year.
Ang Labayog Barangay High School, siya ang tawag noon. Nandun pa kami sa baba, sa elementary compound. Nakiki-squatter kami, nakiki-squat kami sa mga elementary noon. Yung doon sa banda ron, sa may, what do you call that? Abagatan, that portion there, yun yung rooms ng mga high school. Tapos, may isang room dito sa taas, na room ng mga grade. 4th year. Grade 10 ngayon, 4th year.
So we have only 4 classrooms at the elementary, and we have 2 classrooms here in the Labayog National High School site.
Anywhere, pinapasok namin yung pagse-solicit, pag may barangay fiesta, kinukuha namin kasi yung mga net, doon namin kukunin, kinukuha yung pagpapatayo ng mga ibang buildings. At the same time, may mga congressman, may mga budget naman na iba nanggagaling sa ibang sources, kaya napatayo ang mga buildings na ito. Except for this, kasi nga talagang budget ito ng DepEd. Pero yan, fiesta, foundation day, lahat, iniipon namin yon para lang makapagpatayo. And lumalabas kami mag-solicit. May time pa na pinagsasarhan kami ng mga pintuan kasi alam nila na pag magkakasama-kasama na kami, solicitation.
Because of the help of the government and the help of the private sectors, the alumni, and the other people, especially the people from Japan, this school site was developed. So we have here the social hall. Part of this is donated by former board member Carancho, and the other part was provided by the Japanese people.
Mga estudyante, hindi nahuhuli ang Labayog National High School. Kung makikita ninyo, sumasabay sila sa mga big schools, especially sa mga contest. Kasi nga, hindi naman pinapabayaan ng mga teachers yung dapat na ibigay sa mga estudyante. Dahil pare-parehas naman kami ng mga resources, textbooks, kaya kung quality of education lang ang pag-uusapan, lumalaban ang Labayog National High School.
From the achievements during that particular time, actually we joined the Ilocos Regional Elite Association way back 1999, wherein we garnered the championship in the weightlifting event. And for the basketball and other events, we yearly we are joining the division meet. And for the academics, I coach the two regional participants, wherein we joined the regional contest for the 3 consecutive year way back 2003, 2004, 2005. 3 consecutive years that we joined the regional contest in Araling Palipunan. And that is one of the achievements in Araling Palipunan Department.
Sa mga estudyante na gustong mag-enroll sa labas, why not try Labayog National High School? First, financial matters. Hindi ka na mamamasahe para lang makapag-aral sa ibang school. Kundi nandito ka na, save that money para sa pagka-college na lang. O, hindi ba? Hindi kayo mahuhuli. Lalaban kayo at lalaban. Sasabay kayo when it comes to knowledge na naibibigay ng mga teachers. Kaya hindi lugi ang mga estudyante na mag-aaral dito. And then, later on, pag nakagraduate na ng college, come back para i-share ninyo din yung mga adventures ninyo, yung mga naranasan ninyo para maging speaker din sa school natin. Matcha-challenge ang mga estudyante dyan.
Some of them actually are giving some, not only financial, but also they are also helping some of the students, just like providing skills and knowledge not only in sports but also in academics. And for that, it is a good sign of having a partnership between the alumni and the students as well as the faculty members of this institution. And hopefully, that will continue, and I can say that there should be more professional alumni that this school will provide. And the ground of education, the way they are mentored by the teachers in this institution, is a way of giving a chance to go further in their education and to have what we call provide time for these people or these students to be able to be a good citizen in their barangay and considered as a good role model in their beloved institution. And as I have said, more professionals will be coming from this institution because of the good faculty members of this institution. Okay? That's all, and thank you.
The history of Labayog National High School is more than a collection of dates and events.
It is a story of perseverance, commitment, and hope. A story that continues to inspire every learner who walks through these years.
As a student, we are now part of that history.
May we continue to uphold the values and legacy of our beloved school. Thank you for watching.